In today's video, I'm taking you on a journey to one of the largest and most fascinating countries in Central Asia, Kazakhstan. You might not know much about it yet, but trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see it in a whole new light. Kazakhstan is the 9th largest country in the world by land area. It's a land of wide steppes, towering mountains, beautiful lakes, and modern cities. This country was once a key stop on the ancient Silk Road, and it's also home to Baikonur Cosmodrome, where the first human was launched into space. In this video, we'll explore Kazakhstan's stunning nature and geography, the legendary Baikonur Space Center, its vibrant modern cities, and its ancient historic landmarks. And at the end, I'll share some amazing facts about Kazakhstan that very few people know. So, are you ready? Let's begin our journey through Kazakhstan. Thank you so much for watching my video. I truly appreciate your time and your support. If you'd like to see more content like this, and even better, higher quality videos in the future, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving this video a thumbs up, and leaving a comment below. Your support means the world to me and helps keep this journey going. Kazakhstan is not just a large country, but also a land rich in nature and diverse geography. Its territory covers approximately 2.7 million square kilometers, located right in the heart of Asia. Most of the country consists of vast plains known as steppes. These steppes are covered with green grass in the summer and sometimes blanketed in snow during winter. These wide open spaces are home to many rare animal and plant species. One of Kazakhstan's most famous natural features is its large and deep lakes. For example, Lake Balkhash in the eastern part of the country is unique because it has both fresh and salty water. The fresh water part is suitable for fishing, while the salty part is completely different. The country is also home to many mountain ranges. The most notable are the Altai Mountains, Tian Shan Mountains, and the Zylysky Alatau Range. These mountains are located in the southeast of Kazakhstan and contain the highest peaks of the country. These mountains are home to rivers, waterfalls, and famous national parks with fresh, clean air. For instance, Ilalatau National Park near Almaty offers visitors the chance to see both stunning nature and rare animal species. Kazakhstan is also rich in vast deserts, steppes, and arid zones. Areas like the Karakum Desert and Betpak Dala receive very little rainfall and generally have harsh living conditions. However, many animals and plants have adapted to survive in these tough environments. Thank you so much for watching my video. I truly appreciate your time and your support. If you'd like to see more content like this, and even better, higher quality videos in the future, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving this video a thumbs up, and leaving a comment below. Your support means the world to me and helps keep this journey going. The Caspian Sea, located in the western part of Kazakhstan, is very important to the country. Fishing, tourism, and industry have developed along its shores. This sea is also ecologically significant and deserves special attention. Kazakhstan has more than 100 protected natural areas, including national parks and reserves. Among the most famous are Altyn Emel National Park, Kolsai Lakes National Park, and Sharon Canyon. Kazakhstan hosts the Baikonur Cosmodrome, one of the world's oldest and largest space launch sites. Located in southern Kazakhstan's desert steppe, it has been the starting point for many historic space missions. Most famously, Yuri Gagarin, the first human in space, launched from Baikonur on April 12, 1961, making it a landmark in space history. Covering over 6,700 square kilometers, Baikonur's location near the equator helps rockets gain extra speed during launch. Originally built by the Soviet Union, it is now used by Russia and international agencies for satellite launches and missions to the International Space Station. Though much of the site is restricted, it attracts space fans eager to witness rocket launches. In recent years, Baikonur has undergone modernization to stay vital for future space exploration. It remains a powerful symbol of human curiosity and technological achievement beyond Earth. Kazakhstan's cities show a mix of tradition and modern growth. The capital, Nur-Sultan, is famous for its futuristic architecture, like the Baikonur Tower. Almaty, the largest city and former capital, is known for its beautiful mountains and lively culture. Other important cities include Shymkent and Aktobe, centers of industry and trade. These cities combine Kazakh traditions with global influences in culture, food, and festivals. Government projects support fast urban development, making these cities great places for living, tourism, and business. Modern cities in Kazakhstan reflect a country moving confidently toward the future while honoring its rich past. Thank you so much for watching my video. I truly appreciate your time and your support. If you'd like to see more content like this, and even better, higher quality videos in the future, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving this video a thumbs up, and leaving a comment below. Your support means the world to me and helps keep this journey going. Kazakhstan is rich in history, with many ancient and sacred sites. One of the most famous is the Mausoleum of Khoja Ahmed Yasawi in Turkestan, a stunning 14th century structure and UNESCO site. The ruins of Otirar, once a key Silk Road city, show Kazakhstan's ancient role in trade and culture. Across the steppe, ancient burial mounds and petroglyphs tell stories of nomadic life. At Tamgaly, thousands of rock carvings show humans, animals, and spiritual symbols from over 2,000 years ago. These landmarks remind us that Kazakhstan's history is as vast and deep as its landscape.